Hi guys, it's Danny. I'm back today with a Foxy Fix haul to share, and this is going to be a two-part haul because I ordered off Foxy, but I also got one off the Buy Sell Trade Facebook group, and that one arrived first, so I'm going to share that with you now because I can't wait. And I apologize if I sound horrendously sick. I am not well at the moment. Actually, this arrived in my PO box yesterday, but I was far too sick to go get it, so I've had to wait till today. So what I'm expecting to have in here is a No. 4 Rowena, wide fitting with no pockets, and the lady who got it, it was a mystery sale item, so she's not 100% sure what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's Rowena, and I have my sample here to compare it to. So as you can see, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it now. She's wrote me a little card. How sweet is that? Okay, so this is brand spanking new, beautiful looking TN. It doesn't have a mark on it from the mystery sale. Sometimes they have the little embossing down here to show that it's a mystery item. It's not got that. I can't see anything wrong with it at all. I mean, it's got a couple of little marks, but there's a couple of little marks and scratches, but if anyone who has handled Rowena leather knows, it does get a little bit bashed up. It is like a more rustic style leather, but that looks pretty much what it is. I'm pretty sure. The sample I've got is a little bit more textured, but the colour is very similar inside and out. So if I am wrong, if there is anything else it could be, please let me know, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We've got what looks to be wheat stitching. Looks very nice, and then brown elastics. And it is a wide fitting, so I've got 6 elastics in here, which is nice. Oh, I like it. She is so pretty. She smells so good. I love the smell of a brand new leather TN or bag or shoes or anything. Okay, I'm really chuffed with that. I'm really happy with that. It was really inexpensive too because it was a mystery sale item. So, but I'm really, really happy with that. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned for when my Foxy order comes in. Okay, so my Foxy order finally came in, and please excuse the background noise as usual, but I can't wait to open this. So I do have the fan on in the background, and my daughter is probably going to be screaming her head off, but I need to see this, and obviously I wanted to open it on camera, so let's just break straight into it. Okay, so in here I should have a notebook and a wallet. So I ordered a No. 4 notebook and a No. 0 Lush for a wallet. So got our business cards as usual. Have a sample of Wildflower Sedona. It's cool. Okay, so in here I just have some No. 5 dashboards for a friend and my adhesive pockets, so that's good. I'll just make sure they're all here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the notebook first. Oh, it's just how I imagined. Oh, I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy with it. Okay, so this is a BB Moonlit in No. 4 compact with no pockets, light pink stitching, and the very lightest pink elastic. The elastic shades will change now. I think it's the E1, so the very first shade is the lightest. And I got pink foiling, so I got the fox and pip bar on the spine, and I got Sparks of Fire in the willow font on the front. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy with it. So this is what I originally wanted to order when I ordered my cookie, but it was out of stock, so I was a little bit devastated. So this was actually what I wanted, a little bit more than what I wanted my cookie. And then my friend got a Moonlit in the mystery sale, and I was a little bit devastated that she got one and I didn't. But now I have my Moonlit, and oh, it's so pretty. It's such a beautiful cream color, and the pink looks so nice with it. I'm so pleased with that. Okay, and then I have my Lush wallet. So this is a Bordeaux. Oh gosh. Oh, it's so little. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Okay, so I ordered the Bordeaux colour with the gold fox and pip bow on the front. Oh, it's so teeny tiny. I can't believe how small the micros are. Oh, it's adorable though. So I got cream stitch and cream elastic. So that's the E40, the light cream, and it is very light cream. It's not too far off white in my opinion. And then because it's a micro, I couldn't get the card slots obviously on the pockets. It's a little bit small, but you do get the horizontal pockets as usual. Oh, the inside is beautiful. With the back pocket, which obviously is going to be for my notes. This is my first Lush, and so far I've got to say I'm really liking it. It's very floppy, as they're reported to be, very soft, squishy leather. Like, look. It smells really good. The colour is gorgeous. I love this colour. I'm so happy with this colour. I was really struggling between this and plum cake, which I still might pick up the plum cake as well, but I'm really glad I did get the Bordeaux. It's a very classic colour. I'm just not sure on the size. It is very small. It is quite small. I don't know. We'll have to see how it goes. Although, I don't know. I can probably stuff a fair bit in there. Still want to be able to get to the back pocket though. We'll see. I'm going to use it for a bit and see how I like it anyway. So this is the only thing. Like, there's so many layers of leather that the edges are really thick. And this is why I don't really want a Lush for my notebook. I don't even like pockets. You guys have heard me mention before that this is the reason I don't like pockets, because it makes the edge so thick. I don't know, I just think it looks a bit icky. But I really like the leather, otherwise it's so nice and soft and squishy. So that is everything for my little Foxy Fix haul. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to check the description box for my 10% off referral link, so you can get 10% off your first purchase using that link, which is pretty cool. And if you have any questions about colours or sizes, if I've forgotten to mention anything, just drop me a comment. I'm more than happy to answer. And thanks for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.